is, here the plan is first we will get next month first date. Second, once we get the next month first date, we will add days minus 1. Okay. So if today is a December 1st, what is yesterday? Today is a December 1st, what is yesterday? A previous month, previous last date only, right? Okay. Yeah. See, if the plan, just understand the plan, okay? If today is a March 1st, okay? What is yesterday's date? Today is a March 1st. What is the yesterday's date? 28th, right? Like that we got the last date, right? Like that we got the last date of the month. Okay. We should not tell like, okay, so it's a 30, 31, 29. We can't, we don't know, right? So what time, what date it will coming as a requirement. Okay. This is a plan. We will go to the next month. Okay. So to get the today, what is the question here? How to get this month last date? This is a question. That's what we are going to achieve. Yeah. We will get next month first date. We will get the next month first date. That is the first thing we already got it. Okay, so we already, okay. After once we get the next month first date, we are adding the minus 1 day. What it will give? So, first of all, before going to the logic, okay. So do you understand the plan? The steps which we have to go do. Okay. What about others? This is a requirement. How to get the last every day. So how to get the current month last date. But these are all the steps. First we will get the next month the first day. For that object we are applying the add days of minus 1 will give the previous date. So if you are in the this August 1, it will give the previous month last date. Now how to apply the logic? Okay. This month, right? So any date, okay. So this is a object actually, okay. Object. So now give me here. We will apply the current date, okay. We will apply the current date. Now see, copy, paste. Here, what is the year? I can't say now.year. If I say now.year, okay, we are working on this first point, okay. What is the goal here? We have to get the next month first day date. Okay, if I give the now.year, what it will give? 2022. Okay, but actually we need the next month year. How can we get the next month? What is the next month year? First tell me. Next month year. What is the next month year? Just type in the chat window. What is it? This month year is a 22. No, this month year is a 22. Next month year, what is that? Okay, why we need these years, adding the years, these things and all? Because this is a format we have to apply the, so this one we have to get the next month year, right? So that's why, so if I just simply use the dot add month, it will go to the 21. Okay, we don't want 21, right? Okay, that's why we are adding the next month. Okay, if I run, if we are in 16th of December, if we are in just imagine we are in 16th of December, if I apply this one, which year it will give? Which year it will give? If I am, why money it is a 23, it is a 22, December 22 only, right? This year, if we are in the 16th of December, if I run money now.year, It will give the 22 only. All are following perfectly. Okay. Okay. So now see, I want the next month, year. Where, just imagine, where in the 16th of December. What is the next month, year? Where in 16th of December, what is the next month, year? Right? 23. That's why it will change, right? We can't hard code, okay? We can't say this month, year is always next month, year, right? If it's a December, definitely it will change. That's why. So, with respect of that, so create a dynamic logic. Always will give the next month, year. Dot add years of 1. Okay. So this will give the 23 if you run that on December. If you run on the December, the selected logic will give the 2023. If you run the selected logic in today, it will give 2022 because next month is also same year, right? Okay. Sorry for that. Add years. Sorry. One second. What we need the next month, right? Next month, sorry. My bad, okay. Month, sorry for that, okay. Month of 1, okay. Yeah, this logic, sorry, so that's a mistake. This logic will give what? Add month of 1. If I will ask you a question. Just selected on, don't think about the others, okay? Just selected on, otherwise I will copy paste here. Okay, this one. Okay. Tell me, if I run today, what is the answer? What is the output of this one? If I run today, what is the output of this one? What is the output of this one? If I run this one today, here, months, okay, so still 2022, not December, these things are all, no December, it's a year, right? See, I'm just adding, I'm just running the same thing, copy and paste here, what it is giving, 2022, why December? It's a year, initial, starting of this class, we learn dot day, will give the day, dot month, it will give the number 11, dot year, it will give the number 2022. I am asking, please be clear. You are typing DEC 2022. What is this? But it is giving the 22. Many people are typed the DEC 2022. Why? Then why it is giving that only 2022? See how the robot will execute, how the UiPath execution engine is there. In the same way, your brain should be. Okay. If you just write down in the notepad things, you have to execute. Okay. How the robot is executing, in the same way you have to execute in your mind, in your brain, and tell the answer. Okay. We have to understand how execution is going on. Then we should be become experts on that. Okay. Now tell me, if I use month, you have to tell. Just type in the chat window. You have to tell. I'm just copying after something. I will paste here. I will. Let me copy everything. Everyone is saying wrong. Okay. Everyone is saying wrong. Okay. Just think because starting we learn this one. Now dot add. Yeah. Add months of 1 dot month. Okay. What it will give? Okay. Mahender. Okay. Mahesh. These two people are giving correct answer. Okay. 12, right? Because it is a month, we are not giving the format of MMM. Did we give anything like a formatting keywords like a MMM, MDD, YYY? We're not giving. Directly we're just giving the month. Okay, see what is the answer? Do you understand? Okay. You have to be crystal clear. Everything you have to understand. Okay. Month. Now tell me, this will give If I run this one today, what it will give? Now tell me. If I run this one today, what it will give? Yeah, same question. Okay. What it will give? I will just press enter after your answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So please understand carefully. Okay. We are in 14th of December. Just assume we are all in 14th of December. Okay. If I run the same statement, what it will give? Perfect. Perfect. Thank you very much. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm running for you. Okay. I'm running for you. So because there is a small mistake. Yes. Okay. Yes is missing. It is a add months, add years, add days. Okay. Not month. Okay. Okay. Now it's a month. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. You are in the right track. Okay. Now this one is giving the year. Next month year. Okay. What we are going to achieve? We have to get the next month the first day. That is our requirement. Okay. So that's why we are taking the month. First of all, to achieve this point, we are giving the next month year. Okay. Now tell me how to get the next month number. Next month number. Month. Okay. What it will give? If I type this one, what it will give? Type in the chat window. It will give the 12. Perfect. 12. Okay. If I run the same thing to December 20th, if I run the same logic in the December 20th, 1. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. Anything. So 1. Okay. Not 0, 1. Okay. Now, so we got the. Okay. Now for this, we need 2022, 12, 1. This is what we need. Okay. If we run today, what is this? This is a year. This is a month. This is a day. Now the same thing I'm just copy and paste in the month place. And day, anyway it is always first day, right? No need to do the logic, right? No need to give the logic, just simply give the 1. Okay, because always every month the first day is a 1 only, right? Copy these all things and run here. Okay, December 1st 2022. The same logic if I run on December 7 or 8 11th. Okay, tell me 11th. Okay, I ran on the 11th. Okay, 11th of December. What is the results? What is the date? Ignore the times. Ignore the time. Okay, what is the date? If I run the same logic on the 11th. No. So this formatting, give in this format. Give in this format. Okay. The output. I want output. Okay. Perfect, Dinesh. Okay. I want output. Okay. So if I run the same thing on the December 11th. Yeah. 0101 2030. Yeah, if I run the same logic in the December 1st. Now tell me. If I run the same logic on the December 1st, what it will give? Why it will give 02? It is the same answer. Okay. Same answer. If it is a same, yeah, perfect. Okay. December 1st or December 11th, both are in the same month only, right? Okay. John Chris. Okay. Jan Kishore. Do you understand? December 1 and December 11, both are in the same month. If you run any December 1 to December 31st, any date, it will be the same result. January 1st, 2023. Okay. Now, do we achieve this one? Do we achieve this one dynamically? Dynamically in the sense, it's not working for only this month or only this year. Any time if you run, this will give the next month first day. Do we achieve? Up to this, you understand, right? Okay. What is the question? Actually, what we are going to achieve? Every day, so what if we say per day 01? Use a 0, 1, no problem. 0, 1. So this is what you are saying, right? Money. If I just use the 0, 1, what will happen? Nothing. The same thing it will execute. 0, 1 means 1 only. Because it's a, if I type 0, 0, 0, 2, yeah, this will be the maybe error. Okay, see here. The same thing, right? Do you understand? Normal mathematics only, okay? Got it, money, right? Okay, now what is our main goal? What is our main goal? The screen was your something typing. Okay, what is our main goal? How to get this month last day, right? That is our main goal. Got it? Clear all drawing. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now, 1 second. Clear all drawing. Okay. Now tell me how to get the last month of this date. Now we achieved this one. What is the next to last step? Add days minus 1. That's it. Add days minus 1. See the whole logic. Dot at the end. Dot add days. Add days minus 1. This will give what? This will give this month last date. This month last date. Okay. Okay. Now instead of now, I will give some date. See date of some date. So for example, 09 September 23rd 2022. Okay. So just imagine we are in this day, and just replace it with this day. This whole thing will give the October date. See here. Okay, some expression is missing. Yeah, what happened here? Okay, so this is a convert daytime, add months of -1, and convert the C date of add months of this month -1. So what is expecting? Something expecting bracket. Yeah, give the brackets or something like that. Yeah, the whole thing we give the bracket. Okay. See, what is the date here? Just imagine this is a date. This is a common date. Okay. What is the date? This one. What is the date? This is a September date. Okay. We got but here dot add days of -1. See, September 20th. Now I'm just dot toString. Okay. String of dd. See 30. If I give, forget about the date. So this 23, forget about that. So because it might be a 23, it might be 11, it might be a 9. Okay, just I'm changing the month only. So February. What is the February date? February 28. If I go back to the last year February. Okay, previous year February. Okay, got it? You understand?